Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we have a haul today. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, you can't see anything because I got boxes in your face. So let's get started. We have, how many are in here? This is a box of 12 of the home-style casserole, which is the loaded baked, you know, like au gratin or scallop potato style potatoes. And I got those, I think, on Amazon. This is a case of the Walmart corn. They still had it for $5.88, the peas, the green beans, and the corn. If you have not heard, Walmart is discontinuing the Great Value brand, so that's probably why things are going on sale and disappearing. You can also get a case of diced ham on Walmart.com and probably in store for $11.40. So if you can't get the chicken because they raised that to a crazy price, they have the ham. Take advantage of these sales when you find them. So go get you some green beans, corn, and peas, or whatever you like. I have an 8-pack of chicken noodle soup, the chunky. I got this 3.4 pound container of rice and black beans. It's seasoned and ready to cook. So that'll cook quickly. I get the yellow rice as well, and they run about $4 to $5 for the container. I got a 6-pack of the old El Paso refried beans. Let's see how we're gonna shift this stuff around. And then I got 2 12 packs of the Spaghettios and Meatballs. You get 24 cans for $21 on Amazon. So if you have kids that like these or whatever, you might want to grab one of those. Oh. I got a case of the vine ripened stewed tomatoes original recipe with onions, celery, and I think it's bell pepper. So I got a case of those, and Best Buy is by January 2024. I got my weekly or bi-weekly of the freeze-dried chicken breast. I got the freeze-dried Provence vegetable blend. And I got the freeze-dried boneless pork chops. We got a big container of baking powder. 2 packages of instant potatoes, applewood and smoked bacon, and the loaded baked potato. We got a bag of Glacier Ranch tortilla chips. Never tried them, but they were cheap, so I figure they might be a little bit like the Cool Ranch Doritos. We got a container of the coconut oil, and stored properly that will keep for a very, very long time. I got an 18 package of the Easy Mac. You do not have to cook this in the microwave. Just put your 2/3 cup of water and your noodles in a pan, bring it up to a high boil, start it out on high, and when they're cooked, pull it off. You'll still have some water in there, add your pouch, just like using the microwave, but you don't need the microwave to cook these. And it's a pretty big, they're for one person, it's like a whole bowl. So this feeds 2 people in my house, 2 servings, 1 package. We have 2 boxes of Rice-A-Roni. There's 12 packages in each box. I got the garlic chicken and the regular chicken. They're $12 on Amazon. So 12 boxes, $12. So I got 2 of these in 2 different flavors. And then I got a box of the Idahoan Hashbrowns. This particular one I use on a regular basis, and I use the other brands without the oil in storage. These I use in my husband's breakfast burritos during the week. So I go to Idahoan.com for my Idahoan products. So that is this week's haul. I have, it smells quite lovely in here. I went out and picked a bunch of the honeysuckle, so I will be making honeysuckle jelly. That video is already on my channel. So yeah, you guys get out there, find those deals. Amazon has the Spaghettios, the Rice-A-Roni. Walmart has the vegetables and the diced ham. Look for those. So yeah, it's a hot mess over here. But I got too much stuff. So, well, it's bulky stuff. If you can buy in bulk. Oh, and that macaroni and cheese on Amazon is $5 and something. If you do the subscribe and save, you can save more money. So just do the subscribe and save, get your 1 month, and then cancel it if you want to. So that's what I do a lot. I get the cheap deal, it comes in, and then I cancel the subscription. Oh, and I got a bag, I think I missed it, of the self-rising flour. So I think that's everything now. And I'm doing laundry and working in the yard. It's very hot here. Are you guys getting this heat wave? It's very hot. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. You stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay cool, and I will see you in the next video.